everyone. Welcome back to Design Cafe Homes with yours truly, Ananya Jois. Today we're here in this modern contemporary villa in NVT Life Square, Bengaluru, done by our designer Dhanushri for a young and dynamic couple, Balaji Shilpa, their parents and their bubbly daughter, Janvi. Now here, you might have already got a quick sneak peek into their entire home. This is a 3-story villa done in neutral. Without wasting further time, let me quickly take you inside this gorgeous, humble abode. But if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, and let's go inside. Walking into the most classy bedroom in this villa, this is the master bedroom done in greens and blues. Now, I can positively say that Shilpa has a very classy taste, so we can see a lot of gold accents in the artifacts and even in this wallpaper. We can also see all the handles are done in rose gold finish. Now, apart from the multi-purpose storage around the bed, we also have this nice tall sliding wardrobe for both the parents to keep all their necessities. This is done in fabric finish laminate along with a very sleek profiled rose gold handle. This bedroom is dedicated to Balaji's parents who live with them. Now, since this bedroom didn't have much natural light, we went ahead with light and fresh colors like grey, blues and greens that you can see here. Also, a very unique feature that we can see here is a bedside table cum storage on either sides of the bed. Hit like if you think this is a great space-saving feature in a smaller bedroom. Now, this bedroom done for their daughter Janvi is every girl's dream room.
And I think majority of the time we actually spent more on my daughter's bedroom than our master bedroom because I mean obviously she's a girl, though I wanted her to have a gender neutral bedroom, but she wanted a pink based bedroom. I didn't want it to be too princess because she would outgrow it. So then we said let's add a color of green into it. So it's kind of not too girly but still has some character to it. And that's when we said, let's also make the, the roof like a cloud and, give that kind of a space kind of a feeling. So she gets inspired by not just princesses but also by science and space and books, and that was my goal.
Beautifully done in Japanese color concept of muted pink and green, from this uber cool bunk bed to this fully functional study unit. This room has it all. Now, even though they only have a daughter at the moment, the space is designed so that it is comfortable for 2 kids in the future. Well, moving on to the walk-in closet. Here we have given a nice large wardrobe done in muted pink and white high gloss laminate. This is extremely storage efficient. On the opposite side, we have this beautiful Hollywood style mirror which any little girl would love to have, along with lots of storage drawers and a dresser. For this guest bedroom, we had a little bit of challenge since they already had all of their furnitures like the bed, bedside table, dresser, even a table for their laptop. Now, we had to make sure that the wardrobe seamlessly blended with the rest of the pieces. So we went ahead and suggested this beautiful fabric laminate with a combination of matte laminate along with these very pretty seamless rose gold handles. All of these look very elegant and simple and are blending with all of their furniture in brown. Well, they say people are at their happiest selves at home. Now, I would say who wouldn't be in a beautiful home like this? Now, do let us know in the comment section below as to which was your most favorite part of this entire home. For me, be it the soothing colors, those interesting storage options, or even that very fun kids' bedroom, I loved it all. If you enjoyed it just as much, do let us know, give us a thumbs up, and if you're looking for home interiors, you can leave your details by clicking the link in the description box. Until next time, take care, see you all.